Welcome back everyone. I really appreciate that so many chose us to push the subscribe button. Thank you. The children found a football in the tree and we tried to get it down. Let's see if I can get it down. Today you're gonna see us playing around on Ostholmen. Maybe taking a sauna, and we will also show you how to get more boats in a full anchorage. We had a lot of fun with this jenga I built.
För mycket.
It's lots of wind noise here, and we move it to another place that's better. Ostholmen is one of my favorites. The beautiful cliffs and the sunset is all perfect here. And Möja is really close, where they have a real store. Let me show you around a bit.
Deep in the dark, down on my knees, I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go.
As usual, everyone wants to be in the water, without me of course. This bigger swim platform I built 10 years ago, it's really added a lot to the boat. It's so good for a water activity and everything.
So, we're going to the sauna.
Lots of islands have saunas, and this is one of the islands that have a sauna.
Jag vet inte hur klara alla är. Jag vet inte om alla är klara än, men jag tror det.
The sauna is on the other side of the island, so you have to go through the forest. if you have salt water in the heater, it will rust. So here we get some fresh water.
Gjorde du framåtvolt?
And here is a really long line, and it's mine of course.
Måste ju filma på alla som äter också.
Det var lite fina stillbilder på stora gatan.
Det kan ju vara något mer än tilläggningar så där när man kommer.
I uses the Mavic Mini if someone wonder. This is the next day and Andreas has been to Möja for a couple of hours. And some other boats is in the spot that he anchored before. His boat is 3.3 meters wide and we're aiming for this spot. And now let's see what we do about that problem. First we move the dinghy. Then we adjust the anchor line and the bow lines on the boats. Now you gently squeeze the boat in.
Jag tror det går. Ja då, han är så spetsig fram så. Det går.
And here you can see one engine is in reverse. That's because the boat is moving by the wind and he wants it straight. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.
Det är en poäng med att båtar är kilformade. Det har bara med anläggning att göra.
Exakt. Nu är det ju bra så nära hemma.